mentioned in the previous video, the keypad has a 3-pin locking mechanism. What I'm going to demonstrate in this video is how you change that 3-pin code to any unique code that you wish. So to do that, we need to switch the bike on. We then need to hold down the lock button for 5 seconds until the padlock light is flashing. You then enter the current pin code for the bike. So by default at the moment, this is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. You then push the padlock button and you'll see that the padlock button and the power button are now flashing together. This is to let you know that it's in pin editing mode. I can now enter any code that I desire. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll put it to 3, 2, 1. You then push the padlock button, and it's now locked in that new code. So anytime now you want to make an adjustment, you must enter that 3-pin code. And now I can make the adjustments. Once I've made those adjustments, again, I'll just push the padlock button and it's saved, and I can then continue riding the bike.